Hello students, this is your Kalpana teacher. Welcome back. Earlier we revised all the alphabets, that is from A to Z. Now today we will learn different pattern writing which will be helpful for you all to write the alphabets. With the help of pencil, we have to learn 4 main strokes of pattern which I will teach you today. There are 4 main strokes of pattern writing. The first is standing line. Second is sleeping line. Okay, these two lines are very basic lines which a child can learn it very easily. Okay, so I will teach you how to write a standing line and a sleeping line in red and blue line. That is standing line. Okay, you have to draw one dot on the red line and the other dot on the blue line, and let your child put a pencil on the red line and make a standing line joining the bottom dot. So that will make one standing line. Again, put one dot on the red line and the other dot on the second blue line, and tell your child to put a pencil on the first red line and go straight down and touch the bottom dot that is on the second blue line, so that way he or she can write a standing line like this. You can give your child any plain surface like book or a slate or a blackboard or a whiteboard, and tell him or her to just draw a single straight line, any lines. That way he or she can learn how to write a standing line. The next line is the sleeping line. Here also it's very easy as the standing line. You just need to put a dot on the second blue line and the other dot on the other side, and let your child join one dot with the other dot, so that way he can write the sleeping line. It's very easy as the standing line. Here you have a standing line and here you have the sleeping line. You can show them how it's in the sleeping position, as usually we also sleep in a sleeping position. That way he or she can write in a sleeping line joining the dots. You just need to put 2 dots and let them join the dots. This is how he or she can be able to write a sleeping line. Okay, the third is slanting line. This is also a very easy line. You just need to draw one dot on the red line and the other on the blue line. This will go from right to left and from left to right. Right to left and from left to right. Right to left and left to right. Okay, and the fourth and the last is the curve. This is also very easy. You just need to put a dot on the red line and the other dot on the second blue line, and tell your child to just join the dots from the red to blue, making a half circle. This is half circle, and this is also known as right curve. The same way you can again put a dot on red and blue line, and this is the other half circle which is known as the left curve. Right curve, left curve. The same way you can put dots and let them join the dots from right to left, left to right. Or you can also say half circle right, half circle left. The other curve is up curve and down curve. Here also you can draw 2 dots on the red line and let your child join one dot to the other dot and here you can draw a dot on the blue line and let your child join the dots. This is a curve and this is bottom curve.